Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink in Canva. So if you want a link, if you want to add a linkable text or a hyperlink in your design, I'm going to show you how. So first, you can just click on the any element. So for example, I want to add a hyperlink into my logo here, my business logo. What you need to do is just click on this link icon at the top toolbar, and then type in your link in here. So for example, jansstudio.co.id, and then click on enter, and the link has been successfully added into your design. And you can also add a link, another hyperlink in your design. So for example, I want to add into this one, and click on the three dots icon and click on link again, and type in your link here. For example, shophere.com, and then click on enter, and another link has been added into your design. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.